What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. Of course, it is Sunday, and in today's video I want to continue the message on from yesterday, and I want to talk about the keys to success. Now the reason I want to do that is because it is Sunday, and Sunday is a very important day when it comes to how you reach your success. Now I'll go into that in a minute, but obviously if you're new around here, I just want to quickly explain. The weekend is where winners are made. The weekend is where empires are built, and that's why I'm going to talk about the keys to success and why I'm going to link it back to the fact that today is Sunday later on. But before we get into that today, I do want to say a few things. We've hit over 951 subscribers, so we are less than 49 away from the big 1,000. So if you're new around here, please make sure to hit that red button below, subscribe to the channel. Also, please make sure to comment on these videos. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you'd like to see. Let me know the keys of your success. Let me know what you think about the weekend, whatever you want to say, just drop in the comment section below. Also, if you want me to check out your channel, again, just let me know. Drop it all in the comment section below. Please make sure you guys are giving these videos a thumbs up, so it gives me a good indication if you liked the video or not, whether you liked it, whether you didn't like it, what you thought of it. I can usually tell by the number of likes. If a video has 30 likes, it's pretty good. If a video has 5 likes, it probably wasn't very good. But yeah, like I said, drop that thumbs up if you did enjoy the video. Lastly, but most importantly, please make sure you're sharing these videos with our friends so we can get them out to more people, help more people understand the key to success, help more people use their weekends wisely, help more people get ahead, become winners, and build their own empires. But now let's talk about the weekend and why you need to use your weekend wisely. So like I said, I'm continuing kind of on from yesterday's message, which was pretty short and simple, which was pretty much telling you guys to use your weekend to get ahead. But in today's video, I'm going to specifically talk about what you can do to put yourself ahead and get ahead of the rest this weekend. So first of all, I want to say, use your weekend to build the life you want instead of escaping that life that you're already living. So if you don't understand what that means, well, mostly Mondays to Fridays is when we, live the life that we don't really enjoy. Some of you going in tomorrow to work, to your office, working from home, internships, school, whatever you might be doing. You guys maybe don't enjoy that life, but you have your evenings, you have your Saturday, you have the whole Sunday to build the life you want instead of focusing on escaping, the regular life that you're living. So to put that in the context, every weekend getting drunk, partying, that's not going to help you get to your goals. That's not going to help you become successful, which means you have to work hard now so that your future self can live the life you want to live. So you don't have to worry and dread about going in on Monday morning. You don't have to think about, Sunday nights about, oh no, tomorrow I got to work again. You don't have to be longing for Fridays. You can enjoy the life you create because you work hard now. So that means, again, you have to work hard now. Now that's going to bring me on to the points I want to talk about when it comes to the keys to success. I want you to focus on working while others are sleeping, while others are relaxing. I want you to focus on learning while other people are partying, while other people are drinking. I want you to focus on investing while other people are spending money. And I want you to focus on actually living life and working hard for your goals while other people are just dreaming about them. So there are 4 different points I touched on there. Working, learning, investing, and living, which is kind of like working hard. But you have to do these things. Most people on their weekends, like I've said multiple times before on this channel, and again, I'm going to repeat it for those of you who are new around here. People are out partying, people are taking a break, people are relaxing, people are sitting back. The keys to success are while people are doing those kind of things, you're working, you're putting in the time for your goals and dreams. You're taking the time out of your day to, work on your goals, to work on your business, to work on your side hustle, to find out what you can do to provide value to people. You're taking the time out of your day to put in work that your future self will thank you for. And the same exact thing goes for while people are partying, drinking. I used to do that, and it was great fun. But in reality, we're just escaping the 5 days of each and every week. During that time, you could be learning. During the Saturday and Sunday, you could be learning, you could be reading, you could be studying, you could be bettering yourself. And that brings me right on to the next point about investing. You could be investing yourself. If that's time, then so be it. If there's money, then so be it. But there's no point holding off on building your goals and dreams because you want to live a great life short term. I'm telling you, for those of you who run your own business, I run my own business. I have a smartwatch company, as you guys may or may not know. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time to learn about, what it takes to run a business. When you're on job, it's completely different to, learning about business. Again, you can't step into business without actually trying to learn first. When it comes to whatever you do, you have to put in lots of hours. You have to invest in yourself as well. You're gonna have to spend some money on yourself and improving yourself. But as I've told you many times before, the best investment you can make, the absolute best investment you can make is in yourself. So spend that money on yourself. If you're gonna spend money, and you have to spend money each and every weekend, spend it on learning, spend it on investing in yourself, spend it on your business, spend it on how you can grow. Don't spend it on alcohol, drugs, weed, partying, going clubbing, entrance fees to a club that you're gonna be at for 3 hours and not even enjoy. Spend that money on books, spend that money on education, spend that money on, again, just bettering yourself. And that brings me on to the point about living, working hard, putting in the hours, putting in the effort. Many of us, or many of you, or many of your friends will dream. They want to become rich. They want to have a big house. They want to be on billboards, whatever they may say. These are all dreams, and it's good to have dreams. It's good to have dreams. But if you don't pursue these dreams, what exactly are you doing? Here on this channel, we create high aspiring people, people with big aspirations, big goals, big dreams, people who want to accomplish a lot in their life. And that's all good, but it's all well and good saying you want to do that, but you don't actually go out and do it, you don't actually try and pursue it, then what are you really doing? If you think you don't have time to do it, well, that's why you have our weekends. That's exactly why we've been given our Saturday and Sunday. Now, you might be one of those people who works 7 days a week, but I guarantee you, you don't work 16 hours a day. You do not. I guarantee you don't. And if you do, you're probably getting a lot of good money. So when you do have time to break and time to rest, you better spend that money wisely. You know, you can invest it, or you can also spend it on partying, clubbing, alcohol, drinks, fast food. You can spend it on books, education, seminars, webinars. You can spend it, in many different ways. But I'm telling you, invest in yourself. Invest in yourself, if it goes wrong or it goes right, either way, it will be good that you have invested in yourself. On the other hand, spending money on materials, luxuries, things that are going to depreciate, sorry, but that's not really worth it. Trust me, when I say, take it from me, it's not worth it. You can go out and try it for yourself, but I'm here to give you advice and explain, the mistakes I made in the past. So again, I'd much rather you spend money on investing in yourself and doing things that are going to benefit you long term. Just like I said at the beginning of the video, use your weekend to get ahead. I know I said that yesterday, but now I'm really elaborating on that. Really, focus each and every weekend on purely building your dreams. And you're going to see, 6 months down the line, a year down the line, you'll be much closer, much better off. You spend time dreaming, thinking, oh, I want to accomplish this. I want to be that person. I want to have a YouTube channel. I want to get 10,000 subscribers. I'm going to upload a video once every, 3-4 weeks. That's not going to get you there. You have to put in the work. Again, no better time to do that than the weekend. We've been granted, extra 16 hours, 32 hours, whatever you want to call it, each and every weekend to push for our goals and dreams. All your excuses about, oh, I can't do it during the week because I'm too busy. Well, that goes out the window because you've got the weekend. What you do on your weekend are really going to show what exactly you want to do, what exactly you want to accomplish, how badly you want it. I'm telling you, I've lived it. I know exactly what I'm talking about. There were times in the past I said, oh, I want to accomplish this, I want to do that, but I don't have time. Well, now I look forward, 2 years, a year later, I see how many things I'm doing. I'm talking about off YouTube as well. How many things I'm doing. Some of you out there will say you don't have time. Well, your time management is your life management. If you don't have time, then you don't really want whatever you're searching for. You need to understand, if you're in a bad situation financially, spend your weekend, invest in yourself. If you're someone who struggles with, maintaining money, budgeting, keeping, spending less than you make, well, then you need to spend your weekends trying to find out how you can do that. Take time to learn what you can do. Take time to go on YouTube and find out what you can do. Because all of these things that I'm mentioning are the keys to success. You do not see successful people, sitting around being unproductive on their weekends. You don't see them doing that. And you don't see successful people slacking off and saying they don't have time for something. You make time for it. You don't solely use excuses to get you out of every situation. There comes a time you have to start taking responsibility, taking ownership, being a boss. I've talked in the past about being a boss. You have to become a boss, your own boss. I'm not talking physically here like, oh, you must stop your 9 to 5. I'm talking about being the boss and owning your life, taking responsibility. You know who you are, you know what you stand for. You have to take charge, you have to take the lead, you have to be in control of your situation. I also think that's something a lot of people can benefit from. If you do want to be successful, one of the keys to success is starting to take control of your life. Doing what successful people do. They take control, they take responsibility, they take ownership. They understand when something's their fault. They understand what they could have done better. They look at themselves, they self-reflect, they take a look in the mirror. They don't worry about other people, focus on other people, blame other people. They take control, they take responsibility. And that's what you need to do each and every weekend. Like I said at the beginning of the video, there's no point you spend your weekend trying to escape the life you're living. You created that life yourself. If you don't want to live that life, you need to start making changes to it. Don't just hope, don't just wish. You've got to actually take steps to improving. Take steps to changing your life. Don't be that person who sits around all weekend doing nothing, dreading Monday, and then Monday comes around, they're like, oh, it's Monday again. Wednesday, you're like, oh, when is it Friday? Or is it Thursday? Is it Friday yet? No, don't be that person. Already, start now. Start doing the thing your future self will thank you for. Don't hesitate. Don't wait around. There's no better time to start than now. It's a simple message today. The keys to success are working on your weekends, work in your free time. What you do in your free time is going to determine how badly you want success. What you do in your free time is going to determine whether you really do want success or not. That is it. That is a simple message for today's video. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said, unfortunately I couldn't make a real proper video for you yesterday with some actual information, but don't worry, now we're back here uploading daily as we usually do. Added to that, please make sure, again, give me some feedback on the video, whether you liked it, whether you didn't like it, what your thoughts are on success. Also, please make sure to check out those links in the description. We have free cryptocurrency and free stocks where you sign up through Robinhood and Coinbase. We also have a free guide to online business. That's the first link in the description. Also, we've got my smartwatch company, Tango Watches. You can be an affiliate for us. The links, both of them, are in the description. Tomorrow is Monday Motivation, so make sure you guys are back here for that one. I'll be back here with a bang, as always. Like I said, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so keep pushing us there. But that's what it is, you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I got what you're making. You've got success to be chasing. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.